When you look up on a clear night, it's impossible not to feel small. We see a vast, dense canopy of stars and instinctively wonder how far out it goes, where the absolute physical edge of it all actually is. You might ask yourself if humanity could eventually build a spacecraft fast enough to fly in one direction and finally touch that boundary. Reaching that edge is a physical impossibility. The universe is actively sprinting away from us. That reliable, static blanket of stars sitting above us right now is a temporary illusion. We happen to exist during a brief golden era of astronomy. If our civilization had evolved at a later point in cosmic history, our night sky would be completely black. We would be entirely blind to the wider universe. To understand why our window to the cosmos is closing, we have to rewind. 13.8 billion years ago, the entirety of the universe was packed into a single point smaller than an electron before it violently expanded outward. To map the results of that expansion, researchers utilized the WMAP satellite to capture the oldest light and define our visual limits. This map shows the cosmic microwave background, the observable universe. It is a finite sphere containing 13.8 billion years of history, defined entirely by how far light has been able to travel to reach our telescopes. That boundary represents the absolute limit of human perception. Whatever physical structures exist past that line are permanently cut off from our view. But there is a mechanical problem. The universe is expanding so rapidly that the distant edges are receding from us at speeds faster than 300,000 kilometers per second, the speed of light. According to the strict rules of physics established by Albert Einstein, absolutely nothing can travel faster than light. We resolve this paradox with perspective. The galaxies aren't breaking the universal speed limit. The fabric of space is stretching. Think of a dotted balloon inflating. The rubber multiplies between the stationary dots, just as the dark vacuum in the cosmos generates more space. This creates a speed limit trap. If we built a spaceship that could travel at 99.99% the speed of light, it would be like running on a cosmic treadmill. The empty space ahead of the ship would multiply faster than the engines could cross it. The laws of physics strictly contain us. Because the vacuum expands faster than light, the physical edge of the cosmos remains permanently out of reach. Moving forward into the deep future, the rate of cosmic expansion is actively accelerating. This chart plots exactly how that acceleration plays out. We have a flat line representing the constant speed of incoming light, and an exponential curve showing the rate of spatial expansion. The stretch of space will eventually outpace the light trying to reach us. In 150 billion years, the 100 billion galaxies currently visible will simply drop over the horizon, shrinking our view down to just a few thousand. Given enough time, that number drops to 36. Only our immediate local cluster of 36 galaxies, held firmly together by their own gravity, will remain in sight. The accelerating expansion is literally deleting the rest of the cosmos from the night sky, isolating any future civilizations in the dark. Think about the astronomers of that distant era. When they point their telescopes out past their local stars, they won't see an expanding, dynamic universe. They will see a completely static, empty void. All physical evidence of the Big Bang, the stretching of space, and the billions of neighboring galaxies will be permanently erased from their observable reality. The physical edge of the universe is an encroaching shadow. We are incredibly fortunate to exist at the exact right moment to witness the grand history of the cosmos.